Hi, welcome back. So today we're looking at the characteristics of the tundra region, broken it into 4 different categories: climate, soils, plants and animals. I'm going to tell you a little bit about each of them. So for the climate in the tundra, it's not as cold as the polar. We're looking at temperatures around minus 20, 25 degrees Celsius. You do get some precipitation in the form of snow, but that's more in coastal regions. Now, when it comes to soils are frozen, also known as permafrost, but they will melt in the summer months. And generally, the soils within the tundra, they are rather infertile. When it comes to plants within the tundra region, you do get a lot more compared to the polar region, where you might get a few mosses around the edges of the ice. In the tundra region, you will get more low-lying plants like the bearberry bush. So obviously the bearberry bush is the bush with those really bright red berries. It's really low growing, about 5 to 15 centimetres off the ground, obviously to stop it from being blown away by the fast winds. So yeah, you do get a lot more plants than the polar region, but the plants you do get very small, like the bearberry bush. When it comes to animals, you do get a lot more animals compared to the polar region. Obviously there's more vegetation, so there's more food available, so therefore the amount of animals you're going to get will also naturally increase because of it. So for example, have the Arctic fox or the Arctic hare. So there you go, just a little bit about those 4 different categories. Climate, cold, but just not as cold as the polar region. Do get some precipitation more within the coastal areas, and obviously it will fall as snow. Soils, the permafrost, are frozen throughout the year, but come summer months it will melt out, and generally they're very infertile, not good for growing crops at all. Plants, you do get them a lot more than you would in the polar region. The bearberry bush is a perfect example. And for animals, once again, because there's more vegetation, you're going to get more animals. 2 examples, the Arctic fox or the Arctic hare. Right, hopefully that was useful.